What is up, y'all? It's your boy Ron, got the recipe, and today I'm giving y'all my top 3 plugins for saturation. So for piano, for drums, overall track, all of that. We're gonna cook something up fresh right now. Let's get to it. All right, man, so I'm gonna start off with some piano. I always start off with piano, that's just my thing. I don't know why, I just really rock with pianos, man, that's my thing. So my top pianos right now, Addictive keys, Artera, those are my top right now. All right, I'll take that. Let's record that. Let's add some drums, man. Let's get some drums in here. All right, let's MIDI map this out. So kick. Let's get crash. Open hat. Not bad. Do I need to quantize this? Me? Quantize? Hell no. Play it till you get it right. All right, let's drop some bass. So G to what, D or C? Yeah, so G to C to E flat, then back to D. That's the chord, so. We're gonna do one more piano. And for those that like to see what keys I'm playing, I got you. You know I ain't gonna forget about you. All right, so now let's talk about, even though the beat's not completely done yet, but we got some kind of foundation here. Let's talk about tape. So, tape. Tape is something that was used way back in the day, but it's really being modernized now. And I like to run tape on individual instruments. I also like to run tape on the master sometimes. I love running tape on drums. All right, so let's start off with pianos. Why I like to saturate my pianos. One, I like a different sound. It just gives the track a different sound, bro. Like when it comes to the default vinyl preset, just alone, like adding noise to it and adding wobble is really all I need. Already you can hear that difference, you know what I'm saying? Bypass. Enabled. Like, honestly, it's just adding so much character, and it instantly gives that like that retro tape feel. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I look for when it comes to tape, man. Now, tape also works differently for different things. So it sounds different. The same plugin used for tape is gonna sound different on different instruments. So whether if I drop RC20 on these drums, it's not gonna feel the same as it would on piano. So I think it's another thing to say is that you wanna pull out the best tape plugins for whatever you're using and know which ones they are. For me, drums, it's gotta be either Abbey Road's vinyl or it's gotta be the UAD Oxide Tape. Those are my two for drums. So let's hear how it sounds. I always use the Kick Bump 808 preset. Now you hear it, like you hear the difference, even in volume. Bypassed. Enabled. All right, so we got the RC20 on the piano. We got the UAD tape on the drums. Next, we're gonna talk about the master. I'm probably gonna throw some of this tape from Baby Audio on here. Really simple plugin. Just throw it on. Now, everything you need to know about this plugin is right in front of your face. So you got noise, weird, glue, presence. If you click here, you've got the output, drive, you got presets up top, and that's pretty much it. It's crazy, like, it's like a Fangler chorus kind of type of sound. If I had it all the way up. Right? Versus having it down. I mean, it sounds good either way. And like I said, you got a ton of presets to work with. Drop it on there, experiment, man, experiment, man. We got some more times. Let's put some RHODES down real quick just to kind of give a little bit of more bounce to the mix. 2 chords, C major and D minor, 2 chords. That's all we need. And all we're gonna do is turn and cut this down a lot. All right, we want a good blend. Probably pass it to the left, pan it to the left a little bit, a lot of bit. Same thing with my keys up top, pan it to the right. I think I'm gonna get out of here with this. So those are my top 3. I would say my top 3 plugins for tape. Not just for piano, my top 3 plugins for tape would be RC20 Retro Color, Baby Audio Tape, and gotta go with the UAD Oxide Tape. Those are my top 3. RC20, Baby Audio Tape, and UAD Oxide Tape are my top 3. Go grab those. All right, whether you're putting them on individual instruments, whether you're putting them on the master or drums, those 3 right now, if I take them off, they change the game of how this whole track sounds. You want to be careful when you use tape, because you don't want to use too much, because it can alter the whole track, and you don't want it to sound too crazy. So a little bit goes a long way. That's what she said. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this new setup. I'm trying to step it up for y'all. I can stand up too. So let me know in the comments, do you want to see me go live? 1. 2, also let me know, do you like this new format, the 2-camera setup? Do you like to see the top of the room? Do you vibe with that? Also, let me know, do you want to join the community? I'm starting a Discord. I got memberships going now. I also got 2 new sound packs coming out. One is called Drum Groove Essentials. The other one's called No Quantize. No Quantize. All right. Let me know what you thought about the video. If you rock with it, like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, leave a comment. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.